Hello everyone. Let's find the value of x in this Olympiad Mathematics equals 2. This is what we have. And to get the value of x, the first thing we are going to do is to make square root of x the subject. So we are going to have x minus this comes here to become 2 and is equal to this becomes positive root x on the right. This is still the same thing as square root of x equal to x minus 2. Now, the next thing is to square both sides by 2. So we square this by 2. Now, this will go with this. So x will be equal to x minus 2 into x minus 2. So this way, we no longer have anything squared. Now, x here is equal to x times 2, or we don't have anything under square sign. X times x will give us x squared. X times minus 2 is minus 2x. Then minus 2 times x is minus 2x. Minus 2 times minus 2 will give us plus 4. Okay, so this means that x is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4. And then let's write this better. And since this is already a quadratic equation, the variable with the power of 2 will appear first. So we have x to the power of 2. Then this is minus 4x. Then this is on a different side, right? So if it comes here, it becomes x. Then we have plus 4. This is equal to 0. Now you're not going to change the sign of the 4 because it is still on the right hand side, or better still, it is still with x squared and minus 4x. So since they are not changing sign, the 4 here will still come down. It's only x that is turning to negative x, right? Now, x squared minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. How did I get 5x? Minus 4x minus x will give us minus 5x. Now we are looking at what we'll multiply to get 4, and then we'll put the both of them together to get minus 5. I think we will look at minus 4 and minus 1, because minus 4 times minus 1 will give us plus 4. Then minus 4 minus 1 will give us minus 5. So the two numbers to use are minus 4 and 5. And then this is what I'm going to do. Okay, so we are going to have x minus 4 as the first factor. And then the second factor will be x minus 1 because of this and this. This is now equal to 0. Now what do? I have x minus 4 to be equal to 0, or x minus 1 to be equal to 0. And to continue with this, we have our x to be equal to 0 plus 4, or x is equal to 0 plus 1. And then to continue from here, x is equal to 4, or x is equal to 1. Bringing the two values together, x equals 4 or 1. Now we are going to put this value of x into the equation and see if they will be satisfying. Okay, so we have x to be 4 or 1, and the original equation is x minus square root of x equals 2. Now let me put in 1 first. If I put 1 in, then I'm going to be having, if I put in 4, I'm going to have 4 minus square root of 4. This implies that we have 4 minus square root of 4 is 2, and this is equal to 2. This means that our x to be equal to 4 is very satisfying. The equation still remains root x minus, okay, x minus root x equals 2. If I put 1 in, I'm going to have 1 minus square root of 1. And this is the same thing as 1 minus 1. Because 1 will come down, square root of 1 is 1, and this is equal to 0. Now look at what we have. We're having on the right hand side, and on the left hand side, this is what we have. So this is a confirmation that x to be equal to 1 does not satisfy the equation. Thank you for watching.